Hey guys, today we are going to talk about field sets. So you want to update field sets on your subscriber orgs or whatever orgs, and this is what we do. This is how Zuppio is going to help us do that. I will show you on the screen the behavior for Zuppio and Salesforce as to how the field sets updates work. So you can pause the video and read on that, but for the purpose of this demo we have same version of the package installed in my stores and in my targets, so we'll be working with that. Now let's look at what we have. So we got blue field set here, which is related to my custom object blue, part of our managed package. So this is the in the field set column that we'll be working with. In your packaging org you'll also have this column available for the field set, which will appear here with the package upgrade. So anyway, let's proceed. So in our source we got this here fields in the field set of my blue field set, and on my targets we only have this one field, blue name, on all of my targets. So how do we proceed with upgrading that? As usual, we go to Zuppio jobs and we create a new one. Click next here, select the source org, the package, all the usual stuff. We select our package here, click next and create the job. Now as usual we edit the target list. These are the 3 targets with my blue name field in the field set. And let's create the field set step to upgrade the field set on targets. We could deploy all field sets if we wanted to, but we just need the blue one for the purpose of this demo, so let's move it here to the right and click next. On error we ignore again and create the step. So now we just execute, it's as simple as that, and after the execution is complete, after the action is complete, we'll see that the field sets on targets got updated. And it's done. It took us almost a minute to update those in 3 orgs, so let's refresh my targets here and see if the field sets match that one in the source org, and we can see our fields are added in the field set. So basically that's it. That's how you update field sets on your targets with Zuppio. Thanks for watching, bye!